Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. In this demo session, I will walk you through creating an MRO request, also known as a maintenance repair and operations request, in the Asset Plus CMMS platform. Typically, MRO requests should come from internal or external parties, also known as customers. There are two ways to create MRO requests in Fogwing Asset Plus platform. The first one is through a manager or supervisor who can create requests on behalf of customers. The second one is through a separate customer portal where customers can create MRO requests directly. In this demo, we will focus on how manager or supervisor can create MRO requests on behalf of a customer. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account as manager or supervisor. Once logged in, click on the MRO Request menu item on the menu to navigate to the MRO Request page in your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Click on the Create Maintenance Request button. You will be navigated to the Create Maintenance Request page. Enter or create new Enter MRO code. Choose the asset for which you wish to create the MRO request. Choose a customer who requested it. Choose Maintenance Type. Please specify the target date for which you would like to create a maintenance request. Describe the MRO request created. Review the information provided, and click the Submit button to confirm. Congratulations! You have successfully created an MRO request on behalf of your customer. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus MRO request creation demo. We're excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.